In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic habit tracker in Notion. Whether you're looking to stay on top of your daily goals or just want a more organized way to monitor your progress, Notion provides a versatile platform to build a personalized habit tracker. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Notion account. Head over to Notion and enter your login details. This is the starting point for creating any kind of database or page, so it's crucial to be comfortably set up and ready to explore its features. Once you're in, the next step is to create a new page. You can do this by navigating to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a plus button or an option that invites you to add a new page. Clicking on this will open up a blank canvas where you can begin designing your habit tracker. Now that you have your new page open and ready, it's time to name it. Since you'll be using this for tracking habits, a straightforward name like Habit Tracker will keep things simple and easy to find whenever you come back to it. The heart of your habit tracker will be a database. To create this, start by typing in // table view directly on your new page. This command will pop up options for adding databases, and the table view is particularly useful for structuring habit tracking because it provides a clear, organized way to list out and monitor your habits regularly. With your table ready, it's time to set up the columns. Think about the habits you want to track. These could be anything from reading daily, drinking water, or exercising. Create a separate column for each day of the week so you can easily check off the days you complete your habit. To do this, click on the column header and type in the names such as Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Next, add a checkbox for each column corresponding to a habit. This is a simple method to keep track of whether you've completed the habit on a particular day. Each checkbox acts as a satisfying little reminder of your accomplishments as you tick them off. Once your basic layout is set, you can make your tracker visually engaging and motivating by modifying its appearance. To do this, head to Settings and then select Conditional Color. Choose colors that not only appeal to you, but also keep you motivated to see more checks on your tracker. This small customization can make a huge difference in maintaining consistency with habit tracking. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient habit tracker to keep your goals in check. As you implement this into your routine, you'll likely see how helpful it is in building and maintaining habits over time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this Notion tool as beneficial as I have.